Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Review That Item, where we talk about items that you want to purchase, items that you are going to need. This item right here is Vitafusion Gummies, B12 gummies at that. These are B12 vitamins. Let's see if I can get that camera to focus nice and good. These have been great. My wife and I use these in the morning to supplement our vitamins. B12 kind of gives us the energy that we need to be able to get through the day and really not crash, right? You know, sometimes your energy levels increase, they dip over time. These helps to kind of keep them stable. In terms of taste, the taste of it, they're delicious, right? They're really good. It doesn't taste like you are taking B12, right? This is what they look like, right? You're supposed to take 2 a day. This is what they look like, all right? I mean, very small, very compact. There's about 90 of them in the case. In terms of the serving strength, again, we're looking at about 3,000 milligrams per serving. We got these on Amazon for about $12.99. Great price, great product. Great price, great product. And in terms of supplement facts, in terms of calories per serving, about 15 calories per serving. Sugar, about 3 grams. Total carbohydrates, about 3 grams. But in terms of the vitamin B12 supplements that you're going to get, about 3,000 grams per serving. These are great ingredients. They're processed in a facility that contains eggs, fish, shellfish, soy, and tree nuts. So you want to kind of watch out for that a little bit, especially if you have allergic reactions to things, because you wouldn't want to kind of, jump that off too badly. These are great. We're a Vitafusion family. We love Vitafusion. We use Vitafusion men's vitamins, and we use Vitafusion women's vitamins. They're great across the board. And they have that wonderful sticker that says that they're American Gummies #1 brand. So they're a great supplement to use. The other Vitafusion that we use pretty consistently is our Vitafusion Men's Multi-Deli Vitamin. I swear by vitamins, mainly because I feel best when I take them. In addition to that, vitamins also help in terms of intermediate fasting, so it doesn't force you to necessarily kind of eat breakfast, right? You can eat a lunch and then eat a dinner and be good that day, right? Which only helps to regulate how your body digests and processes all the food. So we really love the vitamins across the board. We'll have some vitamins. We'll have our vitamins in the morning, our supplements in the morning with tea, right? Typically like a peppermint tea or a ginger honey tea. Shout out to our ginger honey and our peppermint tea people, right? For coming through. I mean, those teas are delicious and they really hold us through. This one helps with cellular energy. That's a real big one, right? I mean, you want your cells to be able to get the energy and the nutrients that they need to be able to kind of grow and prosper and really process other integrated parts of your anatomy through, right? So that's why that cellular energy piece is so important. And muscle support, right? You know how sometimes in the morning you feel achy, you feel tired, you feel a little beat up? Not with these, right? You take these a half an hour and then you're I wouldn't say jumping off the wall, but you're more energetic. You're going to have a much better morning. All right. In terms of supplement facts, we're looking at about per serving, and we're looking at about 2 gummies per serving. We're looking at about 15 calories, 3 grams of sugar per serving, 4 grams of carbs. In terms of vitamin A, we're looking at 720 milligrams. Let me just put that up for you right here. Right? Might be a little bit hard to see, but the big thing is that everything you need is inside of it. Whether it be your vitamin A, your vitamin C, your vitamin D, your vitamin E, your vitamin B6, your vitamin B12, your zinc, and your other things that I can't pronounce, they're all on here. All right. The other thing is, the thing that I'd probably recommend that Vitafusion do a little bit differently is not put sugar on it. I don't understand why they put sugar on these vitamins. I mean, there's like this sugar overcoat over it, but my wife and her vitamins don't have it. And I just can't understand why they would want to coat them in sugar. At least offer an option that doesn't have sugar on it. But who would want to purchase a vitamin that has sugar on it? I mean, from my perspective, it just kills the need to want to take vitamins. That's the men's vitamins. All right. In terms, this is the women's multivitamin right here. Again, everything that you would need from a supplement standpoint is all in here. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, zinc. All those different things are right in here. This has about 150 gummies. This one has about 150 gummies in it. The men's vitamin has about 150 gummies in it. Let's see. Boom. All right. They're great. This is what we love about it most too. Right? No sugar. Right? Really tasty. All right. I believe that's our only vitamins for Vitafusion. We're Vitafusion family. We love Vitafusion. Vitafusion, if you're watching this, thank you so much for producing a great vitamin. If you're looking to sponsor us or send us any vitamins, we'll certainly take them. We love the vitamins across the board. In terms of recommendations or areas to improve, we just say with the men's vitamins, just take off the sugar. There's no need for sugar, especially when you're looking to supplement your health and better your health. You don't want that sugar intake, because if we know there's one thing that will cause the body harm or damage, it is sugar. Especially when that sugar is possibly refined or not real sugar. So thanks a lot, y'all. We really do appreciate it. Vitafusion, shout out to y'all. Link below if you want to purchase it. Like and subscribe so everybody gets this algorithm. I appreciate you all. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.